Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we continue our work on preparing my desk for video editing. We have received our 4K Dell screen, which will be replacing those laptops on my desk. We will share the unboxing experience with you. Enjoy! We just received our new screen. Oh, I see that the box is damaged here. I hope that the screen is fine. Let's open and find it out. Okay. Let's open this duct tape. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. What do we have here? We have HDMI cable. Cool, I need that. We have USB 3 cable here. That's good. Oh, we have user manual. And we have a stand. Wow, the stand is massive. It's so heavy. What's a heavy stand? So there is a screw. Okay, nice. Let's keep going. Let's see what's inside. The power cable. Let's remove this cardboard. Okay. What do we have here? That's the arm. Okay. So I guess the arm connects to here. Let's do that. Wow, it's so massive. It's metal inside. Wow, it's really heavy. Wow, cool. What a heavy construction. Okay, wow, it's wide. From the back, let's remove the screen. Okay, here we go. Oh, here is the damaged cardboard. The panel was here, but there is a gap. I hope it will be fine. Let's check the panel. Wow, it's massive, curved screen. Look at that. Yeah, the panel seems to be intact, no problem. Look, it's curved, it's nice. Let's put this. Let's see how it goes. It goes like this, alright? Yeah. It clicks here, and then the screen can stand. Wow, that's heavy. Look at that. Cool. Okay, now it's time to put it on my desk. Yeah, we got a new screen on my desk. Wow, it's heavy. The screen is heavy. Well, look, it's adjustable like this, and also it's adjustable like this. It is pivoting a little bit. Wow, it's cool. Okay, so let's get the cables and connect it. Let's see if it works. There is cable management. Yeah, it fits. Let's connect the screen. Here you go. One. And HDMI cable, which was provided. And that is 2. Okay. So let's make it nice and easy. Like that. It has two HDMI inputs, 1 and 2. I'll connect to 1. Very high quality cable. I'm sure it has no problems with 4K. Let's connect it. Let's power on the screen. Yeah. Well, the screen works, great. That's good news. Yeah. And we see my vlog, cool. Yeah, so we got a new screen and now just waiting for a new computer. Thanks for watching, see you soon.